Number 10. So Color 9. Number 9. Bostitch Office Twist and Sharp Pencil Sharpener. Experience premium Rache technology for comfortable and fast sharpening, setting it apart from other pencil sharpeners. With an attached shavings dispenser door, cleaning up is effortless while ensuring you never lose the piece. Customize your sharpening with a center dial for sharp or blunt tips. Plus, Tip Saver technology prevents over-sharpening, extending the life of your pencils. Available in purple, coral, or blue, specific color cannot be guaranteed. The Bostitch Twist and Sharp Pencil Sharpener combines innovation and convenience for every pencil user. Number 8. Sakura Pigma Micron Fineliner Pens. Unlock precision with these archival black ink pens designed for writing, drawing, and journaling. Each set includes 6 Pigma Micron pens in assorted point sizes: 005, 0.20mm, 01, 0.25mm, 02, 0.30mm, 03, 0.35mm, 05, 0.45mm, and 08, 0.50mm. The pH-neutral, waterproof, and fade-resistant ink is perfect for creating detailed, bleed-free marks that last. Approved by ACMI toxicologists with an AP certification seal, these pens feature a durable plastic body and a smooth grip for comfort. Ideal for manga artists, graphic designers, and crafters alike, Sakura Pigma Micron pens deliver consistent, high-quality results every time. Number 7. Staedtler Pencil Sharpener. Elevate your sharpening experience with this premium quality sharpener, designed to keep your pencil sharp without missing a beat. Crafted with a durable metal body and a secure screw-on lid, it ensures no accidental openings, whether you're at the office, school, or home. Available in assorted colors, each sharpener brings a fun surprise to every order. Compact and portable, it's the perfect addition to any pencil case or workstation. Staedtler delivers reliability and convenience in every twist. Number 6. Apple Barrel Acrylic Paint in assorted colors. Explore the versatility of this 8-ounce acrylic paint, perfect for base coating, stenciling, and more in your arts and crafts projects. With a brilliant matte finish, it adds a vibrant touch to DIY creations. Use it confidently on wood, paper, canvas, styrofoam, and beyond. Cleanup is a breeze with its water-based, non-toxic formula. Just use soap and water while the paint is wet. Proudly manufactured in the USA, Apple Barrel Acrylic Paint is your go-to for expanding your art supplies with quality and creativity. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Number 5. Bostitch Office Personal Electric Pencil Sharpener. Revolutionize your sharpening routine with the HHC cutter, providing 4 times longer cutting life than standard sharpeners. Featuring a powerful motor, this sharpener ensures no more stalling during use, making it an essential addition to any office setup. Its compact design saves space, ideal for modern home offices where efficiency is key. Safety is paramount with a built-in switch that prevents operation when the tray is removed, ensuring peace of mind. Plus, enjoy the convenience of a giant shavings tray that reduces the need for frequent cleaning. Backed by a 7-year limited warranty, Bostitch delivers reliability and performance in every sharpen. Number 4. Sharpie Creative Markers. Unleash your creativity with these water-based acrylic markers featuring a paint-like ink that doesn't bleed through paper. Whether on light or dark surfaces like paper, metal, wood, ceramic, glass, rock, or canvas, these markers boldly stand out. Simply uncap and create without the need to shake. For optimal performance, store them horizontally. With 12 vibrant bullet-tip markers in assorted colors, they allow for beautiful layering and endless artistic possibilities. Number 3. 24 Colors Dual-Tip Acrylic Paint Pens Markers. Elevate your art with dual-tip acrylic markers featuring a 1 to 5 mm round nib and a 1 mm fine nib, catering to various coloring needs from outlining to large area coverage. Upgraded with cotton nibs for faster drying and immediate use, these markers boast 24 bright and vibrant colors for endless creativity. Perfect for scrapbooks, bullet journals, and DIY crafts on surfaces like paper, metal, wood, and more. Their high-quality water-based ink is odorless and acid-free, ensuring long-lasting colors. Ideal for gifting, these acrylic paint pens bring life and color to every project and occasion. Number 2. Compact Desktop Electric Pencil Sharpener. Experience the efficiency of the HHC cutter, offering 4 times longer cutting life than standard sharpeners. Powered by a robust motor, this sharpener ensures smooth operation without stalling, making it an essential tool for any office environment. Its compact design maximizes space, perfect for modern home offices where space is at a premium. Safety is prioritized with a built-in switch that prevents operation when the tray is removed, ensuring safe use. Enjoy the convenience of a large shavings tray that reduces the frequency of emptying. Upgrade your workspace with this reliable and compact electric pencil sharpener. And finally, our number 1 pick, Apple Barrel Acrylic Paint in assorted colors. This versatile 2-ounce acrylic paint is your go-to for base coating, stenciling, and more in all your arts and crafts projects. With a brilliant matte finish, it adds a vibrant touch to any DIY creation. Use it confidently on wood, paper, canvas, styrofoam, and beyond. Cleanup is a breeze with its water-based, non-toxic formula. Simply use soap and water while the paint is wet. Proudly manufactured in the USA, Apple Barrel Acrylic Paint is the perfect choice to expand your art supplies with quality and creativity. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations.